Homemade cough syrups. Here are 2 homemade cough syrups made right in your own kitchen with simple, easy ingredients. They taste good, stop your coughing quickly, and have no harmful side effects. Over-the-counter cough medicines cost a lot and taste terrible. It is much more cost-effective to make your own homemade cough remedies. There are a plethora of foods and spices that are chock full of healing powers. Most people would rather fight a cough and cold with safe and simple kitchen ingredients, rather than medication. Our first recipe contains honey, spices, and apple cider vinegar. Take 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, ½ teaspoon cayenne pepper, ½ teaspoon Ceylon cinnamon, ½ teaspoon ground ginger, and 4 tablespoons hot water. Place all ingredients into a small glass jar or bottle and shake well to mix. Your completed cough syrup can be kept in the jar, making it easy to shake before use. Recommended dosage is 2 teaspoons as needed to help stop coughing. Our second recipe contains honey, extra virgin olive oil, and lemons. Take 1½ cups organic honey, ½ cup organic extra virgin olive oil, and 1 to 5 organic lemons juiced, depending on strength needed. Lemons are quite effective at fighting coughs and colds. In a small saucepan, combine honey, olive oil, and lemon juice. Stirring constantly, cook over medium heat until steaming. Remove from the heat and set aside to cool. Put mixture in a glass jar or bottle with a lid and keep in the refrigerator. As needed for coughing, shake and take 1 spoonful warmed. Drop a comment below to let us know which recipe worked best for you and your family. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.